Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO 9 Peak, and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this device. First, we need to press and hold the middle button to open the shortcuts menu, like this. Once you open the shortcuts menu, scroll down through the menu by swiping on the screen or by pressing the up or lower buttons, lower or upper button. So scroll down through the menu, select the settings icon by pressing the middle button or by tapping on it. In settings, select the general, then select about, and here scroll down and find the serial number. It's gonna be right here, right above the hardware and below the product name. And we have the serial number right here. And once you're done checking the serial number, you can swipe right on the screen or press and hold the middle button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.